Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best compact camping sleeping pad available on the market, the Yuzonc Camping Sleeping Pad. Whether you're an avid backpacker, a casual camper, or just someone who loves the outdoors, this sleeping pad promises to combine comfort, convenience, and durability in one ultralight package. First off, let's talk size and comfort. This pad measures a generous 78 inches long, 27 inches wide, and 3 inches thick when fully inflated, providing ample space for a restful night's sleep. What makes it stand out is its innovative design featuring egg-shaped air cells and a built-in pillow, which help to relieve pressure on your back and neck. This ergonomic design ensures that no matter how you sleep, on your back or your side, you'll stay comfortable all night, even on uneven or rocky terrain. One of the biggest challenges with traditional sleeping pads is the hassle of inflation and deflation. The Yuzonc pad comes with a built-in foot pump that inflates the pad in just 30 to 60 seconds, saving you from the tiring and often messy task of blowing it up with your mouth or carrying around an extra pump. Deflating it is just as quick, taking only a second thanks to its upgraded double-layer air release valve that also guarantees no air leakage during the night. Durability is key when it comes to outdoor gear, and this sleeping pad doesn't disappoint. It's crafted from outdoor-grade 40D nylon with an inner TPU sealing coating, making it both tear-resistant and waterproof. You don't have to worry about wear and tear or unexpected weather conditions. Plus, the material is easy to clean, ensuring your gear stays fresh no matter where your adventures take you. For those who prioritize weight and portability, the Yuzonc sleeping pad is impressively lightweight, weighing only 1.5 pounds. When packed, it's about the size of a water bottle, making it easy to carry in your backpack without adding bulk. The inbuilt pillow also means one less item to pack, which is a great bonus for minimizing load. Another thoughtful feature is the ability to connect two pads side by side with built-in buttons, allowing you to create a twin sleeping surface. This is perfect for camping with friends or family when you want a little extra space to stretch out comfortably. In summary, the Yuzonc Camping Sleeping Pad combines extra-wide dimensions, quick inflation, durable materials, and ultralight portability into one well-designed product. It's a smart choice for anyone looking to enhance their camping experience with a reliable and comfortable sleeping solution. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're planning your next outdoor trip and want to travel light without sacrificing comfort, this sleeping pad is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.